Let's go over the thinking steps we need to distinguish personal views from those of the author. The first step is to ask ourselves, what is the text mostly about? And once you have figured out what it's mostly about, you can move on to step two, which is to find clues for the author's opinions and feelings about the topic. You find these in opinion and feeling words, non literal or figurative language, and in descriptive language. Now, these two thinking steps are very familiar because we've been practicing those for the past few days. Now, we can add step three and four. And in step three and four, we are going to ask questions all about you. In step three, you need to ask yourself, what are your opinions, beliefs, or feelings about the topic? That means, what are you thinking about the topic? How do you feel about it? Once you have made up your mind about how you think about the topic and how you feel about it, you can move on to step four. In step four, you ask yourself, when is your point of view different from the author's and how? Is your point of view the same or different from the author? Maybe sometimes it's the same, but in some things you disagree. You need to tell me and yourself, how are you the same and how are you the different from the author in your view of the topic? Now that we have gone over our thinking steps, you are ready to start our TDQ.